Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics correct first. Sign into iCloud and Messages with the same Apple ID, then confirm network access, Wi-Fi or cellular, so messages can arrive. Once done, open Settings Messages and check Send and Receive addresses. Make sure your phone number and Apple ID are checked. If any address is missing, add or sign out and back in. These steps fix most account and network mismatches that prevent iMessage delivery. Now handle the trickier middle steps. Turn iMessage off, restart your device, then toggle iMessage back on to force reactivation. This refreshes Apple servers. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or cellular profiles, but note it removes saved networks. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date so protocol and authentication bugs are eliminated. These actions address system-level and network issues that block message receipt. Finish by verifying behavior. Ask a friend with iMessage to send one, then test SMS fallback by disabling iMessage temporarily. If you moved off iPhone, deregister iMessage online so messages route via SMS. If activation errors or delivery failures remain, gather error messages and account details, then contact Apple support or your carrier because sometimes server-side fixes or provisioning resets are required. One troubleshooting tip. Try a different Wi-Fi network or tether to cellular. Network restrictions often cause persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.